Hi, my name is Charlotte and I am an ambassador for docrafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun explosion card using only a bone folder. And it can also be called a fold-out card as well, so there's many different names for it. I'm going to start with my 8x8 piece of paper, and I've used some of the Moroccan Haze range. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by folding it corner to corner. You just line up the corners, and with your bone folder, just press down in the middle. And then we're going to go out to both ends there. Then you unfold it again and do it the other side. So once you've got it in the corner, you just fold it out. So now you've got it like that. We're going to flip it over and then we fold it up in half. Once again, you just line it up and you can see how simple it is with just one tool. So once we've got it like that, we're going to get it into a triangle by pinching those corners and placing them in. So you now see I have a fun triangle there. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to mark the halfway point on both sides. And because it's 8x8, you just mark at the 4 inches. We're going to drop it there. We're going to flip it over and do the same here. So now that we've got those two marks, you're going to pick up the first square corner there and fold it in. So once you've got it there, just use your hand, your finger to mark it in, and you just a couple of times with the bone folder, and we'll fold it in the other side as well. Once it's there, make sure it's right on the mark so it'll look pretty when you open it up afterwards. You take it and you flip it over, and as we've got that mark again there, we're just going to do the same on this side as well. Place your finger there. And you can see all it's doing is with the bone folder, so you don't need any other tools at this stage. There we go. So now that it's looking like that, you're going to take each one individually and open it up and fold it in back on itself. So you're making it look like an open envelope. And here we go, we're going to do it again this side. So we've got that shape. Once you've done one side, you flip it over and we're going to do it again the other side. You see, because you've used the bone folder, it's really easy to fold it back in. Once you're happy with the shape, you might just want to go back over with your bone folder. There we go. So we've made the basic of the explosion card. Now if you pop that to one side, I'm going to take a piece of paper, and this is 9 inches by 4.5 inches, and this is just going to be the base of our card. Once again, we fold it in half, and this is just to make our card base. I've used some of the Capsule Colossal collection because it always goes well with any of the collections from docrafts. So you see, I've got my card base now. I'm going to take the middle bit, and with a bit of double-sided tape, we're just going to run alongside. And all you do is around the outside, just run a bit of the tape. And you can do it as much time as you want to feel as secure as you want. But we're just going to do a couple of pieces here so you can see. There we go. And the easiest way to do that is to have your card base there, place it in the centre, and as you see, you hold it in place where you want it to be in the card, and you're just going to fold it back in. And you can use your bone folder again just to make sure it's nice and secure. Once you've done it on both sides, it will open up like this one here. So you'll see the effect it's going to have. And that's really simple with a bone folder, and you can then just decorate it in any way that you like. I'm going to use some of the extras from the Moroccan Haze collection, and I'm just going to add a little bit of double-sided tape to a square I've cut out. Once again, it's just 4 inches by 4 inches. And the Moroccan Haze collection is really useful because it has this beautiful rose gold colour. So I think it's perfect for any occasion. We just take off a little bit of double-sided tape, and I'm going to add it to the top of my explosion card. And then with a few of the 3D foam stickers, let's just add on a little sentiment in the middle. And this is just things that I've got from the A4 Ultimate Die Cut and Paper Pack. So as you can see, there's just a couple of pieces that I've stuck together. I'm going to stick it in the centre there. And then inside the card, I'm going to use some of the letters the sticker letters that come in the pack. And so you can either write something right in the middle so it can open, or you can write it on one side. And I'm just going to use the phrase "with love." And I love the rose gold stickers, so I'm going to stick with those. So you just take out the individual stickers, and you can use a different colour for each one, but I'm just going to use my X-cut ruler there to make sure they're all nice and straight. So there's lots of different parts from the die cut pack that you can use, and as you can see, you can decorate it for any occasion. It's a really simple design to make as well. It only took me 5 minutes to learn, and then you can use it. Just all you need is a piece of paper and a bone folder. So we put in our width there. We're just going to add love, and using a ruler is also, it's just so helpful because you want everything to be in line. And these stickers are great if you want to make a 5-minute card. So you can see it goes back really easily with love. And the last thing I'm going to do is one of the borders. I'm just going to wrap around. So sometimes when you send a card like this in the post, you might be worried about it. But actually, if you put one of the borders and just wrap it round, once again with the bone folder to keep it in place. And then all I need is a little bit more tape. And so this way somebody can just slide this off and keep the card really nicely so it pops out as a surprise. So we'll pop double-sided tape on there. Fold it across nice and tight. And then all you have to do is slide this bit off, open it up, and you've got your message inside. And there you go. Thank you for watching.